Alright, so we're going to start off this video first, removing the existing muffler off the car. You can tell that someone damaged this thing up pretty good. My guess is they backed up into a curb or something. It's kind of weird. It's scraped on the tip, it's scraped here, and it's got a big dent here. Who knows what people do with their cars, but we're here to fix it. So we'll remove this first, and we'll take it over to the new one. We'll compare the two, and we'll go from there. First, I'm just going to release the two bolts off the exhaust system here. I already excuse me, I already pre-lubed all this stuff, so I'm hoping that they snap right off. Alright, so we got the two mufflers here, side by side. Of course, the old one to the left, original, and the new one to the right. Now, these guys are not a sponsor to the channel. I have no sponsors for my channel, just FYI. You can tell there's quite a bit of difference here. The company that made this is Northeastern Exhaust. And it's all stainless steel. At first glance, they're exactly the same size, except the tips, in my opinion, are way better than the stock. And so I'm going to transfer over the hardware. Fortunately, they also sent me new, I'm glad they did because I had to cut the element off, but they sent us new nuts to install this, and they also send us a gasket. I also send you a gasket there. So their build quality to me at first glance here seems, you know, really awesome. Again, you know, I paid for this muffler, so just keep that in mind. But I just wanted to kind of share that. I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed, and then the next clip should be testing how it sounds, and hoping it's not a performance exhaust. I'm just hoping it is quiet. Keep it a Lexus smooth and quiet. So that's my goal here.